On September 18, 2024, Ukraine launched a daring drone strike deep into Russian territory, targeting a critical military installation in Toropets Tver region. The strike destroyed significant Russian military assets. This massive ammunition depot, located just 230 miles west of Moscow, was home to some of Russia's most advanced weaponry. The facility reportedly housed Iskander missile systems, Tochka-U tactical missiles, KB guided bombs, artillery shells, and even North Korean KN-23 short-range ballistic missiles. The resulting explosion was so enormous it was visible from space. NASA satellites detected a heat signature covering nearly 5 square miles. The blast was so powerful it registered as a 3.2 magnitude earthquake, detected by monitoring stations as far away as Norway. Ukrainian officials claim the operation was carried out by their security service and special forces using over 100 domestically produced drones. The Russian response has been mixed. While the defense ministry claimed to have intercepted 54 Ukrainian drones, the governor of Tver region, Igor Rudenya, acknowledged a major fire and ordered evacuations. An estimated 3,000 residents fled the area as firefighters battled to contain the blaze. This attack comes as Ukraine pushes for permission to use Western-supplied long-range missiles against targets within Russia. President Zelensky argues such strikes are necessary to disrupt Russia's ability to wage war. The Kremlin, however, warns that allowing such attacks could lead to a dangerous escalation, with some officials even hinting at the possibility of a nuclear response. As both sides adapt their strategies, this strike demonstrates Ukraine's growing capability to hit targets deep within Russian territory, potentially shifting the dynamics of the conflict. The destruction of this ammunition depot deals a significant blow to Russia's military capabilities. As the smoke clears, one thing is certain: the conflict in Ukraine has entered a new and potentially more dangerous phase, with Russia hinting at tactical nuclear options. Thank you for watching. Please share this video with someone who should know about this, like our content and reporting efforts, and subscribe to our channel with notifications for more